There are two ways that you can insert images into cell in Google Sheets, like you see on screen right now. The first one is to click Insert, Image, and Insert Image in Cell, then select an image you have available on your computer. The other way, and my preferred way of doing things, is to instead use the image function. Find the image you're interested in online, right-click it, and choose Copy Image Address. Then write equals image in the cell where you want to insert the image, and in the parentheses, paste the image URL within quotation. This will make the image more dynamic to work with, as it will adapt to the cell size automatically. In this case, it will also allow me to easily insert the other Pokémon images, as the only thing that differs between them is the Pokédex number. What's really nice with inserting images into cells in this manner is that we can use normal Google Sheets functionality on them. So here is an image retriever I quickly created using the XLOOKUP function. By writing the name of a Pokémon, its image is instantly displayed here. Now, if you want to learn more tips and tricks that you can use in Google Sheets, please check out this playlist. And thank you so much for watching.